Your road test is coming up. You know how to drive, but knowing how to drive and knowing how to pass a road test are two different things. That's exactly what the mock road test is designed for. This is a specialized 2-hour session where your instructor steps into the role of an RMV testing agent and administers multiple full mock road tests. After each one, you'll get a clear pass or fail result, followed by specific actionable feedback on exactly what needs improvements before test day. Not general tips, targeted coaching on the precise moments that are costing you points. This service is ideal if you experience test anxiety, want to practice under real test conditions, or simply want structured feedback rather than more general driving practice. Now, a couple of important things to know. The mock road test is not a standalone product. It's only available to students who are actively enrolled in driving lessons with the Next Street. You also need a valid Massachusetts learner's permit to schedule. Sessions are 2 hours, start and end at the Next Street location, and are available 7 days a week based on instructor availability. All scheduling is handled through your student portal. We recommend booking the session 1 to 3 weeks before your actual road test for the most impact. This service does not issue completion of certificates or fulfill RMV hour requirements. It's purely test preparation, designed so you walk in on test day with confidence. The Next Street, the easiest road to your license.